Today in this video I show you how to make PDF file on Android phone. For this you have to open Drive app. Now click on this plus icon and then select upload. Now you have to upload any photo or Word document you want to make in PDF. Type the file name, select location. I will add my photo on this folder and click on select. Now click on upload. Now that my photo has been uploaded, I will open the folder where it is saved and then click on this three dots. Now scroll down, click on print. Now you have to tap on this and select save as PDF. Now to save photo as PDF, click on this. Now select the location and type the name you want. Click on save. Now my photo has been saved as PDF on file manager. If you also want to convert your Word document into a PDF file, then open your Word document. Click on three dots, tap on share and export. Now click on print and then click on this save PDF icon. Select location and type the name. Now click on save. Now you can see if I go to file manager, my PDF files has been created. So this is how you can make PDF file on Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.